Growing up in Tawi-Tawi, talagang mahirap siya because I was always stereotyped to be different. And when we were young, being different was not good. Kasi pag kakaiba ka, pangit ka. Kasi I was called names Ang dami kong pangalan. Ita, Negra, Kulot Magi. And growing up, it took parang a toll on me because I always felt different and it was not nice. So, I never had the word beauty growing up because ganun yung tag ng mga tao sa akin. Even up until high school, ganun pa rin yung binubuli ka, yung tinatawagan ng mga iba't ibang pangalan. And it always felt na hanggang dito ka lang. You have to prove yourself on other things na lang para mag-compensate sa kung wala ka. In terms of confidence, pinalaki tayong pabibo. Talagang bumawi na lang ako sa ibang bagay sa buhay. So I was academically good, I was a scholar, I went to science high school. So bumawi ako sa talino. Bahala nang hindi maganda, basta matalino.